Hello and welcome back to Profiting from PLR. In this video, we're going to continue our discussion on repurposing and changing the PLR media. Now, in this fifth step, we're going to suggest that you use the material, your content, for a weekly podcast. You can do this very easily with Blog Talk Radio, which is free, or Spreaker, which does have a free version and a cost. Both of these are excellent ways for you to create audio content that you can share on social media on a regular basis. Now, when you use your PLR content, once again, don't read it. It will sound like you're reading it. One of the best ways that you can redo PLR if you're going to deliver by audio is to write the points in your own words. As you are delivering your content, you can emphasize those things that are meaningful to you, but you want to do it in a way that is personal. So don't use it in the very same way as which it was delivered to you. You can take your private label rights content and add to a report that you already have, or you can add reference material. And this is actually an excellent way to use private label rights content because you may already have books on Kindle. You may already have informational reports. You can take your private label rights content and actually add to what you have and make it more full, or make your arguments better, or make them more clear. You use your PLR so that it can enhance content that you already have. And so you can do this very easily. Once again, if you take what you have in your private label rights and you start to think of it again in your own words. When you start to think of what you're saying in your own words, you'll find lots of places where you can add new information that will make it clearer for your readers and better for you establishing yourself as an authority. Now, an interesting way to deliver your content would be to start an informational YouTube channel. And video is really taking center stage in terms of content delivery. And you almost must be on YouTube or video in some kind of way in order to be considered credible today in business. So you can definitely start a YouTube channel. The rules are the same, okay, as they did apply with audio. Don't read your content. It'll look especially bad on camera, and even if you are using a screen share, okay, you can tell when someone's reading on a screen share. So when you start an informational YouTube channel, again, don't read. Now, you can deliver this content on Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts has a screen sharing program that you can deliver either live, or you can record it and have people see the archive. You can also live stream without Google Hangouts on YouTube. If you want more information, please check YouTube for it. Once again, this is something that we could do an entire course on, and we don't really have the bandwidth in this particular course to discuss Google Hangouts and live stream. This is, though, something that you need to know about because everyone should be delivering content in the area of expertise. One interesting thing that you can do is you can approach someone at one of the outsourcing desks and you can have your content translated into other languages. This almost certainly will make your content unique. You'll find that most people are not doing this. Now, once again, you don't want to take any chances. Even when you get the content back, you want to make sure that it is not duplicate in any way. And you would do that anyway if you are having it outsourced. You wouldn't want to get anything that lined up in the search engines that as the very same thing. So when you look for people to translate your content, naturally you're going to be looking at ratings, and naturally you're going to be looking for the best possible people. You don't want to compete, or you don't want to do this on the basis of price. You want to make sure that this is done at the highest possible quality level so that when you use it, whether it's on your site or in your materials, you will have something that will actually help you to convert more visitors. Okay, so that's it for this section of repurposing and changing the media when we're talking about profiting from PLR. With that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.